Why you should eat more protein? Most people consume enough protein to avoid deficiency, however certain people might benefit from a greater protein consumption. A high-protein diet has been shown in several studies to help with weight loss and metabolic health. Here are 10 scientifically supported reasons to increase your protein intake. 1. Appetite and hunger levels are reduced. Protein is by far the most filling, according to studies. Consider substituting part of your carbohydrates and fats with protein if you need to shed weight or abdominal fat. Making your potato or rice serving smaller while adding a few more pieces of meat or fish might be as simple as that. A high-protein diet helps you eat fewer calories by reducing hunger. 2. Muscle mass and strength are increased. Protein is the primary component of muscular tissue. When you undertake strength training, eating enough protein helps you retain your muscle mass while also promoting muscular development. If you're physically active, lifting weights, or attempting to grow muscle, you need to eat adequate protein. Maintaining a high protein intake during weight reduction can also aid to avoid muscle loss. 3. It's beneficial to your bones. Protein, especially animal protein, is thought by many to be negative for your bones. This is based on the theory that protein raises acid load in the body, causing calcium to escape from the bones to neutralize the acid. The majority of long-term research, on the other hand, show that protein has significant benefits for bone health. Protein-rich diets help people retain their bone density as they age, lowering their risk of osteoporosis and fractures. 4. Reduces cravings. A food craving is caused not just by your body's need for energy or nutrition, but also by your brain's need for a reward. It's possible that the best approach to deal with them is to avoid them from happening in the first place. Consuming additional protein may help to lessen cravings and the temptation to nibble late at night. 5. Increases fat burning and boosts metabolism. Simply eating a high-protein breakfast might have a significant impact. Eating can temporarily increase your metabolism. This is due to the fact that your body uses calories to digest and utilize the nutrients in meals. It's been proven that eating a lot of protein boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories. 6. Reduces blood pressure. It's worth noting that eating more protein has been linked to reduced blood pressure. Heart attacks, strokes, and chronic renal disease are all linked to high blood pressure. A high-protein diet, in addition to decreasing blood pressure, was found to decrease LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in one investigation. 7. It aids in the maintenance of weight loss. Many people who increase their protein intake lose weight almost quickly because a high-protein diet stimulates metabolism and leads to a natural reduction in calorie intake and cravings. Overweight people who ate 30% of their calories from protein dropped 11 pounds in 12 weeks in one trial, even though they didn't restrict their diet. Increasing your protein consumption will help you not only lose weight but also keep it off in the long run. 8. Healthy kidneys are not harmed. Many individuals mistakenly assume that eating a lot of protein is bad for your kidneys. It's true that limiting protein consumption can help persons with renal disease who already have it. While a high-protein diet may hurt persons with renal disease, it has little impact on others who have healthy kidneys. 9. Aids in the recovery of your body after an injury. This makes logical sense, given it is the primary component of your tissues and organs. Several studies show that consuming more protein after an injury will help you heal faster. 10. As you become older, protein makes it easier to stay fit. The progressive weakening of your muscles is one of the effects of aging. Age-related sarcopenia is one of the leading causes of frailty, bone fractures, and a worse quality of life in older people. One of the most effective approaches to avoid sarcopenia and age-related muscle degradation is to eat more protein. In short, make sure you are getting enough protein if you want to reduce weight, enhance your metabolic health, or develop muscle mass and strength. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.